Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for those of you na hindi pa ako kilala, hi! My name is Cheska. Welcome back to me. Welcome back sa ating lahat sa channel na to. And ano nga ba ang gagawin natin for today? Dahil kababalik ko lang after a long time na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Ang daming nangyari guys during the entire time na wala ako. I'm now in my new vlogging spot dahil lumipat na din ako ng bahay. Pagpasensyahan nyo na pala yung mga ingay guys dahil yun nga, nasa ibang lugar ako. Medyo mas prone siya sa noise. So, anyway, I'm very excited guys dahil isa to sa talagang gusto ko ever since nag-start ako mag-vlog way back 2016. So, eto na siya. I'm going to be unboxing. Sobrang happy ko guys dahil dito. And disclaimer lang, this is not to brag or para magyabang in any way. I just really want to share with you yung blessing na to. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo guys. This is a set of instructions para mag-register siya sa mobile app which is Canon Red. So, ayan. And then, eto na. Ayan. Tadaan! This is the Canon POWERSHOT G7X Mark III. I know that G7X Mark II is very famous. Sobrang sikat nung camera na yun for vloggers like me. Ever since nakita ko siyang ginagamit ng YouTubers, talagang I was inspired. I really wanted one during that time. Pero hindi lang ako nabigyan ng chance. But eto na tayo ngayon. Anyway, before we open this, gusto ko lang magbigay ng short background, guys. I was vlogging since 2016. And ang first camera na ginagamit ko is also from Canon. This is the POWERSHOT SX230HS. So, ito siya. I got the pink one. This is where I started. Baby ko to. And then, after a few months, I think, I purchased the Canon EOS 1200D, which is what I'm using right now. This DSLR is amazing, lalo na sa photography. Pero meron akong challenges when it comes to making videos for you guys. Dahil, una, hindi siya nag-autofocus. And second is, wala siyang viewfinder or flip screen. So, hindi ko alam kung focus ba ako or what. Then, yun nga, matagal akong nawala. Hindi ako nakapag-create ng videos because of, you know, a lot of things. Lumipat ako ng bahay. I have to focus with my work. And then, eto na nga, last week, I decided that I would like to go back to vlogging again. So, I started setting up my small room lang to, guys. And then, last night, I was with my family. It's a Sunday, so family day. We're having dinner. And then, naisip ko bigla na gusto kong kumuha ng bagong vlogging camera. And then, we went to Canon nga sa SM North Ed sa Annex D-Zone, yung pangalan ng shop. Hi ate! Hi guys! So, naalala ko siya guys, ang presyo nito is 46,998. Almost 47,000 siya. Kinuha namin to through installment. So, let's start guys. So, this is the box. Maliit lang siya. Ganyan. And then, buksan natin sa harap. Alright. So, ito siya guys. I'm very happy talaga since nakuha ko to. Kagabi pa lang, in my head, I was like, gusto ko mag-vlog, gusto ko mag-vlog, gusto ko mag-vlog. Ganon. Ayan. So, the first thing here is the free 32 gig memory card. And then, of course, the manual. Dito muna tayo sa accessories. So, ito yung pinaka-charger niya, guys. Ayan. And then, this is the power cord. We also have the strap here. And then, of course, kailangan natin ng battery. So, ito siya. Maliit lang yung battery niya, guys. Yan. Ganyan lang. Like, this is my hand. Yan. Ganyan lang siya. And then, this is the star of this box. Or, ito siya. This is my new baby. Bakit nga ba ito yung pinili ko? Well, dapat talaga yung G7X Mark II yung kukunin ko. But then, I was informed na meron yung bagong labas na G7X Mark III, which is this one. And then, meron din siyang difference dun sa G7X Mark II, which we'll talk about later on. So, dito muna tayo sa top side. So, of course, you have the power button. You have the shutter. And, of course, yung different modes din. Ayan. And then, on the right side, dito mo pwedeng ikabit yung strap. Then, nandito rin yung ports for USB and HDMI cables. So, ayan. And then, this little button right here is for the Wi-Fi connection. So, pwede mo siyang i-connect to your laptop or to your mobile phone, which I did last night. Kasi tinetest namin tong camera na to. So, yun. And then, on this side is the input for microphone. So, ito yung wala si G7X Mark II. And then, this one is for the flash. So, ayan siya. Ito talaga yung pinakagusto ko dito, guys. Yung flip screen. This is really helpful for vloggers like me. Dahil minsan, using this camera, yun nga, wala ako sa focus. Lagyan na natin yung battery, guys. And then yung memory card. So, dito siya sa ilalim. Just like other Canon cameras. Ay, mali. Okay. So, madali lang siya ilagay, guys. This camera is very light compared sa DSLR. So, madali siyang bitbitin kahit saan. Ayan. Hi guys! So, this is the G7X Mark III test video. Nakakaganda tong camera na to. Parang siyang may auto-filter. Like, meron ba nun? So, ayun siya. Parang nakaka-fresh. Pero kitang-kita lahat, day. Ayan. So, this is my 1200D. I'd like to pay homage to this guy right here. Madami kami pinagsamahan nito. Thank you so much. So, these are my two babies. Hindi ko na sila gagamitin. Oh my God, ang ganda talaga ng camera. So, that's basically it. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung happiness na naramdaman ko when I got my new camera, my new baby. And hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na ulit ako sa pagba-vlog. I made sure na bago ako bumalik sa vlogging, mas magiging okay ang lahat. In terms of my setup, in terms of my lights, my camera, my audio. Sana okay siya kahit na may electric fan and may ingay galing sa labas. So, yun lang guys. Sana na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. Of course, if you have video requests, put it in the comment section down below. And for those of you na bago sa channel ko, isubscribe nyo na yan. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!